There's a unique joy in creating your own little corner in the middle of nature. Today, on the Maker World, I'm going to take you through the entire journey of building this 20 square meter wooden cabin. Standing 5.3 meters above the ground, I've captured every joint and every measurement with precision. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about the details of home construction, this video is designed to be your full construction guide. Let's dive in. The dream of a sturdy home begins with its roots. Since wood is the very soul of our house, our first and biggest challenge was to protect it from its eternal enemy, moisture and decay. For the parts of the timber that will remain hidden in the dark earth, we are applying a special protective coating. This layer isn't just for show, it's a guarantee of longevity. Now, every pillar is ready to be embraced by the depth of the ground. Once all the pillars are firmly planted at the right depth, the real work of balance begins. With precise measurements, we are leveling the top of each post, ensuring they stand shoulder to shoulder, ready to carry the weight of our future dreams. And now, the real excitement starts. On top of these pillars, we will build the core foundation, the floor. This solid platform will be the base upon which our entire 20 square meter world will stand. Now, on top of those sturdy pillars, it's time to build the actual skeleton, the frame. As these 450 centimeter main beams were placed one by one, it felt as though our dreams were finally taking a tangible shape. At every joint, we are using heavy-duty screws. These small but mighty screws will carry the massive weight of the structure and the echoes of our future life. For us, every inch had to be perfect, even a tiny measurement error could have compromised the balance of the entire floor. That's why we are pre-drilling and securing every single connection with precision. After hours of hard work, as the framework of beams came together, that long-awaited 20 square meter platform finally appeared before our eyes. Having conquered the uneven terrain, we now stand on a perfectly level surface. With the frame complete, we began laying the final floor. As the pine wood planks were laid down one by one, a smooth layer of craftsmanship covered the rugged, stony ground. As the planks locked together, the true shape of our home began to emerge. This floor has now paved the way for the next chapter. Our next task is to raise the walls on this very platform and transform it into a sanctuary. As the last plank of the floor settled into place, this 20 square meter platform finally felt complete. Amidst the rugged nature surrounding us, this wooden deck has become our own little piece of territory. But to work at this height, we needed a sturdy connection, so, we began crafting our wooden staircase. Each step is being built not just to carry our weight, but to bear witness to every moment of this journey. Once the stairs were assembled, we applied a deep protective coat of paint. This isn't just for aesthetics, it's a shield, protecting the timber from the sun and rain for years to come. Our pace might be fast, but our steps are careful. You've probably noticed that as soon as we finish a section, we immediately follow up with a coat of paint. Protecting the wood in real time is our top priority. The height of this massive structure has actually handed us a unique opportunity. We aren't letting the 2-meter gap between the floor and the ground go to waste. Instead, we are transforming it into a cool, shaded lounge area. Whether it's the scorching midday sun or a sudden downpour, this lower level will serve as a cozy hangout or a safe haven for our tools. A cozy cabin above and a tranquil corner below, our dream wooden cabin is finally beginning to spread its wings. In the next phase, we will raise the walls on this floor and transform it into a complete home. With the floor complete, we are currently standing under the vast, open sky. But to turn a platform into a home, we need walls, the boundaries that provide us with security and privacy. As you can see, we've begun constructing the primary skeleton of our walls. Instead of the traditional approach of raising all 4 outer walls at once, we're using a different strategy. We are building each room individually. This method allows us to be more precise and gives us the chance to focus on every corner with care. The dimensions of these walls are very specific. These frames, measuring 300 centimeters by 250 centimeters, clearly define the boundaries of our living space. Every mark on the timber is the result of months of careful planning. Building these rooms one by one feels a lot like solving a puzzle. As every joint, nail, and screw finds its perfect place, this 20 square meter void is slowly transforming into a real home. Once all the walls are standing tall, the true beauty of this cabin will finally be revealed. In the midst of nature's ruggedness, our little world is beginning to branch out. We hope every step of our construction serves as a guide for you, if you ever dream of building your own wooden sanctuary. One of the oldest and most enduring methods of construction is the log cabin style. Here, the walls aren't built with bricks and mortar, but with massive, solid wooden logs. As you can see, we are stacking each log horizontally, one on top of the other. The most critical part of this method is the notching at the corners. We have precisely carved notches into the ends of every log so they can interlock perfectly. This interconnection is what gives our walls their immense durability and earthquake-resistant strength. To make this bond even more unbreakable, we are using modern power tools to secure each log with rock-solid firmness. This 20 square meter structure isn't just a building, it could be your dream garden office, a tranquil retreat, or your very own private entertainment hub. As each log settles into its notch, a beautiful harmony is created between the rugged nature outside and the elegance within. One by one, all our surrounding walls are now standing tall. Under the open sky, our dream structure has finally taken its full shape. But the work doesn't end here. The most challenging tasks are still ahead, installing the doors, crafting the roof, and bringing the interior to life. Rising from the heart of nature, this wooden home is just one step away from its final form. In the next episode, we'll show you how we lay the roof over this structure to turn it into a secure sanctuary. Now that the walls are standing, our wooden fortress is beginning to open its eyes. To breathe life into a home, you need the dance of light and air, and so, we began crafting the windows. For this cabin, we've chosen 2 spacious windows, each measuring 100 centimeters. As we carefully cut through the logs to frame these openings, it felt as though the rugged mountain landscape outside was finally invited to peek into our world. We are meticulously finishing every corner of the frames before installing the clear glass. These panes won't just keep the dust out, they will invite the warm winter sun right into our living space. As the window sashes and locks found their place, the house felt like a secure sanctuary for the very first time. With the windows complete, our gaze turns upward, to the most vital part of the structure, the massive roof. The time has come to cover this 20 square meter piece of sky. This roof will be the shield that protects our hard work from the sun, the rain, and the elements for a lifetime. One by one, we are laying down the beams, crowning our dream wooden cabin with the strength it deserves. With the walls and windows in place, our dream cabin is now waiting for its final protection. The exciting journey of building the roof has officially begun. The true strength of a durable roof lies in its skeleton, the rafters. One by one, we are hoisting the solid wooden beams and interlocking them with precision. These beams will serve as the very backbone of our shelter. One of the most remarkable things about these cabins is the construction method. Since these are prefabricated to exact measurements, we don't have to wait months like a traditional brick house. Watching this massive structure rise in just a few days of tireless effort feels almost like magic. Once the rafter frame is ready, we are laying down pre-cut wooden planks. This layer will help regulate the temperature inside our home. But we know that wood's greatest enemy is rain. To counter that, we are applying a modern waterproof membrane, a high-strength sheet that acts as an invisible shield. This layer ensures that no matter how heavy the storm, the timber inside remains dry and pristine forever. With high-quality wood and the touch of a perfect finish, these homes won't just last a few years, they will carry our stories for decades. As every plank and beam settles into place, this 20 square meter void is transforming into an aesthetic masterpiece. The house is now standing tall, but to truly embrace the beauty of this forest-covered wilderness, we need an open veranda, a deck. And so, we've begun the work on the foundation of our outdoor space. We are measuring every piece of timber with extreme precision, as this deck will serve as the bridge between our home and the world outside. As you can see, we are using a drill to create perfect pilot holes in each beam, and then, with the powerful strike of a hammer, we are locking them together into a solid, unified structure. The completion of a wooden cabin lies in its open deck. To blend our 20 square meter home with the surrounding nature, we are now beginning the construction of the railings to enhance both safety and aesthetics. The railing of this deck is more than just a boundary, it is the visual frame of our entire structure. As you can see, we are using a series of vertical pickets. These are being placed at perfectly equal intervals, giving the entire deck a regal and sophisticated look. We have maintained precise measurements and spacing for each picket to ensure the structure is as balanced as it is secure. Once each vertical picket was firmly in place, we installed the main handrail on top. Resting your hands on this rail now, you can truly feel the serenity of the mountains and the forest. The deck is no longer just a wooden platform, it has been transformed into a safe and elegant veranda. With the deck railing successfully completed, our work continues. Now, we move toward the staircase. We will replicate the same design and meticulous craftsmanship for the stair railings as well. The main body of the door is now fully ready. But before the final installation, we are applying a deep coat of paint to ensure the wood's longevity. Once the paint has dried, we use a drill to secure the frame firmly to the wall. With the frame set, we've temporarily removed the main door panel. Painting it separately will ensure a much smoother and more flawless finish. Along with the door, we are also painting several extra pieces of timber, as we need to complete the adjacent window right away. Once dry, we cut the wood to the window's exact dimensions. Using the drill and screws, the window frame is now standing tall. While working, we noticed that the upper sections of the window frame hadn't been painted yet. Without delay, we applied the final strokes of paint to those top frames. Now, the entire structure is unified in color, creating a stunning and aesthetic look. While painting the frames, we used a simple yet highly effective trick. We've meticulously applied masking tape all along the edges to ensure the paint stays exactly where it belongs. This technique doesn't just speed up the process, it guarantees a sharp, professional finish. The moment we peel the tape away, it reveals perfectly crisp borders, giving the cabin that flawless, high-end look we're aiming for. With the frames complete, we are now installing the window glass. Once they are in place, we're giving them a thorough cleaning to ensure the view of the surrounding nature is captured perfectly from inside. This transparency has breathed a unique life into the room. Next, we are turning our attention to the floor. To ensure the support beams underneath aren't visible from the outside, we are adding wooden borders all around. This small change has completely transformed the look of the structure. By hiding the beams, the floor now appears much more solid and aesthetically unified. Finally, we are designing a small veranda or deck right in front of the door. This little addition will bring out the full beauty of the house. It's not just an entrance, it's the grand finale that completes the regal look of our entire cabin. To complete the veranda, we are now focusing on its main beams. After cutting each piece of timber with absolute precision, we are securing them firmly with nails. These beams will provide the core strength for the porch. Following this, we'll use our pre-cut timber to construct the overhead roof, giving the entire house a unified and finished look. While the roof work is underway, we've brought back the door we painted earlier. We are now carefully setting the door panel into its place with care. With the door finally hung, the house is now fully secure. As beautiful as the house looks from the outside, we wanted the interior to be just as cozy. In between our tasks, we've arranged 2 chairs and a table inside the room. Just look at how well these simple pieces of furniture complement the serene wooden atmosphere. The feeling of sitting here and enjoying the view through the window is truly something special. The construction is nearly complete, and now it's time for the final touches. We are applying the last strokes of paint to the smaller details around the house. It's these subtle finishes that truly transform a simple structure into a lived-in home. Next, we are decorating our veranda with some custom wooden latticework. These geometric designs have elevated the deck's elegance to a whole new level. But the real magic of this house begins after sunset. We've added several warm lights throughout the cabin. As they glow in the silence of the night, the entire cabin takes on a mystical aura. The warm golden light reflecting off the wood creates a sense of absolute peace amidst the darkness. From the beginning of this long journey at Maker World to this final reveal, how do you like the overall design? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback and encouragement are what give us the courage to take on even bigger projects. If you enjoyed our hard work and craftsmanship, don't forget to leave a like on this video. To see more unique making of stories like this, join our little family by subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Thank you so much for being with us. We'll see you in the next creative adventure.